Did you know that your body is constantly repairing itself? But what if I told you that certain exercises can actually reverse the damage you've done over the years? Whether it's poor posture, joint pain, or years of stress on your body, you don't have to accept it as just aging. Keep watching, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover 3 powerful exercises that can heal your body from the inside out. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last one. It's a game changer. Let's start with one of the biggest culprits of body damage, sitting. We sit for hours, whether it's at work, watching TV, or scrolling through our phones. But what's worse? Sitting for long periods shortens your lifespan, weakens your muscles, and causes spinal misalignment. Here's where the first powerful exercise comes in: the Spinal Reset Stretch. This simple movement reverses years of hunching forward, opening up the chest, stretching tight shoulders, and realigning the spine. Imagine undoing all the stress your back and neck have endured just by adding this to your routine. Just hold it for 30 seconds, and you'll feel an instant release. But we're just getting started. If you think bad posture is dangerous, wait until you hear what's next. Ever wondered why some people age gracefully, while others struggle with stiffness and weakness? The difference isn't luck, it's movement. That's why the second exercise is the deep squat hold. This is not just an exercise, it's a primal movement that strengthens your knees, improves hip mobility, and even improves digestion. Ancient cultures have been squatting for centuries, and science now confirms it keeps you young. Holding a deep squat for just a minute a day reactivates your body's natural ability to stay mobile and pain-free. And if it feels tough at first, that's just a sign your body needs it even more. But if you thought that was good, get ready for the final exercise. This one is a true age-reversing powerhouse. What if I told you that one movement could improve blood circulation, boost flexibility, and even detox your body? Sounds too good to be true? Science says otherwise. The third and final exercise is the inverted stretch. This movement increases blood flow to the brain, reducing brain fog and fatigue. It also decompresses the spine, relieving tension that builds up from stress and daily wear and tear. And the best part? It stimulates your lymphatic system, flushing out toxins and boosting your immune health. Just 30 seconds a day can help you feel lighter, more energetic, and even look younger. Now imagine this: every day, your body is either getting weaker or getting stronger. The choice is yours. These 3 exercises aren't just movements, they're your body's reset button. So, will you give your body what it needs? Start today, and in just a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Let's take back control of our bodies, one movement at a time.